Hello, my name is Devin McKenzie, the market analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD analysis for the 12th to the 19th of October 2017. The CFD analysis is a weekly commentary on the top 40 stocks on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange to keep the active trader up to date on the latest developments in the price action of each of these stocks. This commentary highlights key price levels, indicators of imminent shifts in momentum, possible breakouts, and other price actions that are worth noting and which may provide valuable trading opportunities. In order to get a general feel of how most of the stocks are trading in the market, one could take a look at the top 40 future index, which is a combined representation of the price action of the top 40 stocks, and look to place trades in accordance with the movement of this index. The commentary on the top 40 future index can be found on slide 13 of this week's CFD analysis. The index continued to squeeze higher over the past week, trading higher for 8 consecutive trading sessions before closing the day marginally lower today, the 11th of October. The strong upward momentum suggests that we may see some further upside in the index in the week ahead, but it is difficult to say how high it may trade. There is no negative divergence on the relative strength index as yet, and therefore no indication that the trend is beginning to reverse. But it is reasonable to anticipate a pullback given the sharp increase in the index. This analysis shows that the index still favors the upside, the momentum is still strongly upwards, but that it is reasonable to assume a pullback in the week ahead. And therefore, if you have a look at the analysis this week, you'll see that there are a mixed bag of trading opportunities, and there are also 3 stocks which could either trade higher or lower from their current levels. Those are Aspen, Billiton, and Bidcorp, and the mixed bag of trading opportunities include possible long trades in First Rand and Kumba Iron Ore, both of which can be bought at their current trading levels, and there are also short trades which can be shorted at their current trading levels in Bidvest, Life Healthcare, Mediclinic, Nedbank, Netcare, Redefine, and Woolworths. Another factor that will significantly affect the movement of these stocks over the week ahead will be the strength of the local currency measured in comparison to the US dollar. The commentary on this local currency can also be found on slide 13 of this week's CFD analysis. The upside target of 13 Rand 90 cents that came about as a break above the upper boundary of a triangle pattern in the daily chart on the 27th of September remains in play, although it appears that some consolidation may set in before we see further Rand weakness. The Rand has traded lower over the last 2 trading days, and the next key levels of support come into play at the 13 Rand 50 and 13 Rand 40 cent levels. If either of these support levels hold, there may be the platform set up for a continued move up towards the 13 Rand 90 cent target. This shows that we'll need to monitor the 13 Rand 50 and 13 Rand 40 cent levels in the week ahead, and if either of these hold, we are likely to see further Rand weakness towards 13 Rand 90 cents. A weaker Rand would have a positive impact on Rand hedging stocks as well as gold resource stocks, and would have a negative impact on banking sector stocks. That's your CFD analysis for this week. If you are going to be trading during this time of uncertainty, then please remember to manage your risk by using protective stop losses.